My name is Anna Vira, and I am a fitness coach who specializes in yoga, Pilates, and holistic nutrition. Today, I'm going to teach a short foam roller sequence that is going to help promote balanced strength through the body. Often we have one arm stronger than the other, one leg stronger than the other, even one side of the back can be stronger than the other side of the back. So the work that we're going to do today is going to help with working with those imbalances to create more even balance throughout the body. Okay, so what we're going to need is a long foam roller. As you see, this one is pretty long. It's about the length of my spine, even a little longer. And if you have one of those short foam rollers, it's not going to work. You can do this work though on your back without a roller at all. That is possible. Otherwise, you're going to need one of these. Okay, so we're going to put it on the mat long ways and let's get started. Okay, so you're going to sit at one edge of the roller and work your way down all the way onto your back. So I have the back of my head and my tailbone connected to the roller here. I'm going to have you open your arms and just rest the backs of your hands to the floor to begin. Even let your eyes close for a moment, and we're just going to start by checking in with your breath. Take a nice deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out of the mouth. Feeling the weight of your head, shoulders, and hips. Feeling the feet fully on the floor, so the midline and the outer line of the leg of the feet are fully planted on the ground here. All right, so we're going to begin by bringing the arms up to the ceiling. And we're going to start with arm circles. But before we do that, I want you to really notice how your legs are working to help stabilize you, right? So you might notice a little shift back and forth, and that's normal as your body tries to find its center of gravity. So doing your best to keep the roller nice and still. We're going to reach the arms past the ears. Bring them all the way down to your hips and back up again. Just 3 each way. This is 2 and 3. Inhale and exhale. Bring your arms up. Let's go the other way for 3 and 2 and 1. Very nice. We're going to bring the arms all the way down to the mat. I'm going to prop up on my fingertips. I find that to be helpful for stabilization, but not holding on for dear life with my arms because I want to focus on the legs here. Okay, so you have a nice stabilization here through the arms, and we're going to lift the right leg up to tabletop. And tabletop is just when your knee is right above your hip and your shin is parallel to the ceiling. And then just lower your foot to the mat. Very slow, and peel the left foot and lift it up and low. So this is just a slow march. I'm going to have you keep going side to side, and notice how the standing leg is what's working here. As you lift one leg, the other leg is working. Inner thighs, outer thighs, hamstrings, glutes, all sorts of stuff is happening. And you can start to notice maybe one side is harder to stabilize than the other. Okay, so we're going to lift the right leg up and we're just going to take 5 toe taps. 1, exhale. 2, exhale. Try not to get tense in your neck and shoulders. Keep your head heavy. And 4. Last one for 5. We're going to place the foot down on the mat gently. Keeping everything nice and still. Lift your left leg up, lower and tap 5 and 4 and 3. Last 2 and 1. All right, placing your foot down. We're going to do the same thing, but make it a little harder this time. So lift your right leg up and lift your left arm up. So we have opposite arm as leg. Definitely more challenging if it's too much and you feel like you're going to fall. Keep both hands down. That's totally fine. So you're going to lower and tap your toes just like you did, but you're going to reach your arm past your ear and then pull everything back up. And 2, and really working that standing leg. That left leg is working hard. And just remember and know that this takes practice. It's not going to be perfect the first time you try it. You have to practice this at least a few times, at least a couple times a week. And place your foot down. Bring your arm up, lower your hand to the mat, lift your left leg to tabletop position, right arm up. Easier said than done. All right, here we go. Tap, bring the arm past the ear, exhale. I always kind of feel like a mechanical doll when I do this exercise. It's kind of mechanical. We're trying to keep everything still and just truly isolating the right arm and the left leg. Last one. Good. And place your foot down. Bring your arm up. Bring your arm down. Bring your arms back up to the ceiling. Open your arms. Rest the backs of the hands to the floor. Let your elbows drape to the ground. Once again, close the eyes, deep inhale, deep exhale. Notice the natural curvature of your spine, so you have that little arch in your neck. And again, you have a little arch in your low back, and that is what we want. It's called neutral spine. And this is one of those positions that you could totally hang out in for a lot longer than we're going to hang out right now. It's a wonderful stretch for the front of the chest, giving us that opposite stretch that we need after sitting at the computer or driving the car, anything that requires us to kind of, where we end up hunching over. So this is a wonderful way to promote more openness through the front of the body. All right, well, that is it. You can go ahead and come off the roller. I'm just gonna roll off to one side, nice and gentle. Push the roller away. Hug your knees into your chest. It should feel nice to stretch your low back and gently rock side to side. Okay, that is the end of my short foam roller sequence to promote balanced strength in the body. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions at all, or you're interested in maybe doing private training or joining any of my group online classes, just read below for my information, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.